If your Oral-B toothbrush is flashing blue while charging, don't worry, it's likely not a charging issue at all. The flashing blue light actually indicates that your toothbrush is trying to connect via Bluetooth. It's a connectivity indicator, not a charging status. This feature is common in Oral-B Genius, IO series, and Pro models that have Bluetooth connectivity built in. There are different blue light states to understand. A solid blue light means your toothbrush is successfully connected to the Oral-B app on your smartphone. If the blue light is flashing, it means the toothbrush is in pairing mode, searching for a previously paired phone or trying to reconnect after an app update. This happens because your toothbrush uses Bluetooth low-energy technology to communicate with the Oral-B app, enabling features like brushing tracking and personalized feedback. When your Oral-B toothbrush shows a flashing blue light, start with these basic troubleshooting steps to resolve the Bluetooth connection issue. If basic steps don't work, access your phone's Bluetooth settings. On both iPhone and Android devices, you can find your connected Oral-B toothbrush in the device list. For persistent issues, try these intermediate solutions. Clear the app's cache and data, remove the toothbrush from Bluetooth settings and repair it, or update your Oral-B app to the latest version. If you encounter pairing unsuccessful messages, don't worry. This is common and usually indicates the need for a fresh connection attempt or a device reset. For the most persistent connection issues, a factory reset of your toothbrush may be necessary. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to perform this reset. To prevent future Bluetooth issues, keep your Oral-B app updated and periodically clear your phone's Bluetooth cache. If problems persist after trying all these steps, contact Oral-B customer support for further assistance.